Weathering. Weathering is the breakdown and decay of rocks that are exposed to the weather. There are 3 types of weathering: mechanical weathering, chemical weathering, and biological weathering. Mechanical weathering. Mechanical weathering occurs when rock is broken down into smaller pieces by the effects of temperature and water. Chemical weathering. Chemical weathering occurs when water dissolves minerals in a rock, producing new compounds. Biological weathering. Biological weathering is the disintegration of rocks as a result of action of living organisms. Chemical weathering dissolves rocks. One example of chemical weathering is called carbonation. Carbonation occurs in limestone landscapes where bare limestone rock is exposed to the rain. It occurs because rainwater mixes with carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, forming a weak carbonic acid. The acid reacts with calcium carbonate in the limestone, causing the rock to slowly dissolve. Carbonic acid falls on limestone, which contains calcium carbonate. Carbonic acid dissolves the calcium carbonate in limestone. Limestone is permeable, so water passes through it easily. This is aided by the joints and the bedding planes, which allow the water to further pass through. Where it can occur. Chemical weathering occurs in karst landscape. It's an area of exposed limestone rock, very thin soil due to glacial erosion. An example of a karst landscape is in the Burren, County Clare. What features does it form? Limestone pavement. Slabs of limestone are separated by gaps called grikes. Grikes form when rainwater erodes and widens the vertical joints. Slabs of limestone left between grikes are called clints. River flow can cause grikes to become bigger, forming swallow holes through which river can disappear underground.